Noom Coach app. The pros, the cons. Most people think losing weight is just about counting calories, but Noom Coach takes a completely different approach. It's not just a diet app, it's a mindset trainer designed to change how you think about food. So, what makes it special? And what are the downsides? Let's start with the pros. Noom combines psychology with nutrition to help you build better habits. The app uses short daily lessons and behavioral science to teach why we crave certain foods and how to make sustainable changes. Instead of banning food groups, it classifies them into green, yellow, and red categories, encouraging moderation, not restriction. Another major advantage is personalized coaching. Every user gets access to a real human coach who provides accountability and motivation. The app also tracks your meals, exercise, and progress through simple visual tools that make data easy to understand. What really sets Noom apart is its focus on long-term results. Studies had shown that many users maintain weight loss for over a year, thanks to its focus on habit formation instead of quick fixes. Now for the cons. Noom's subscription price is on the higher side, and while the psychology lessons are insightful, some users find them repetitive over time. The food database, though vast, can sometimes feel limited compared to apps like MyFitnessPal. In conclusion, the Noom Coach app is perfect for people who want to transform not just their diet, but their mindset. It's a science-based program that teaches you how to think differently about health. But if you prefer quick results or detailed macro tracking, it might not be your best match.